So for a few days every year, the skies over the Earth's poles light up with something that we refer to as electric blue clouds. They hover 50 miles high and can be seen only at twilight.
And technically, they're called noctilucent or night shining clouds. And over the summer, a NASA balloon floated above the Arctic to observe these cool clouds. The project produced 6 million high-resolution images, which NASA has now released, and we get to enjoy.
Noctilucent. I need to knock some sense into me about what these clouds happen to be. We've got someone who can help us. We're going to talk with Dr. Scott Bailey. He's a professor of space and atmospheric sciences at Virginia Tech. Joined us from beautiful Blacksburg this morning. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. Good doctor. 3 ingredients have to come together for these clouds to form. What are those 3 ingredients?
It's similar to the clouds down low as well. You need water, obviously, to form the ice. You need cold temperatures. And you need a particle for the ice to form around. Ice doesn't form very well just in thin air. It needs something to grab onto. And in the case of these clouds, it's cosmic dust, actually.
This is so cool. I know these clouds are so high, you can actually literally see gravity waves breaking, almost like ocean waves at the beach, right? So what are gravity waves, and why are they important?
Gravity waves are a way that the atmosphere communicates energy from the lower parts of the atmosphere to the upper parts of the atmosphere. You can imagine wind blowing over a mountain or any sort of obstacle or over a thunderstorm. The air gets a vertical component to its flow, and that pushes upwards. They're called gravity waves because gravity is trying to keep it coming back. So there's this sort of oscillatory response, but the wave carries energy up, it carries momentum, and that eventually has an effect at higher altitudes.
Wow, I could really stare at that all day.
It's so soothing.
Oh,
right?
it is.
Beautiful,
It's totally soothing. Yeah, very much so. You know, electric blue clouds have been seen as far south as Utah, even into Colorado. Why are they moving around? What's the deal here? Why are they spreading?
Well, it's because 2 things up there. The atmosphere is becoming colder, and it's getting wetter. When we talk about global change, we don't really think about the upper altitudes too much, or we don't talk about it, but the same processes that make the surface warmer are making the higher altitudes colder. And this altitude region is especially interesting, but it's both getting colder and it's getting wetter. And that actually has to do with methane increases in the upper atmosphere. Very interesting chemistry makes that happen.
Yeah, so noctilucent clouds could potentially be a sort of, canary in a coal mine on climate change, right? So much to learn from it.
Absolutely. The same processes that are causing the warming surface are causing a very definite cooling up high. And that's observed, that's seen, and we can see it in the way these clouds are changing. And so, absolutely, these clouds are telling us something.
Professor Scott Bailey, live from Blacksburg, Virginia this morning. You are awesome, sir. You are incredible. Thanks so much for spending time with us. What a neat subject.
I want to make that my screensaver.
Oh, yeah. That's not a bad idea, actually. Pretty good stuff.